guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. How are you? Hope y'all are doing good. Today I'm gonna be doing some box braiding my hair and I can't wait. I feel like my hair is growing and this is the reason why you see me all up in it like this. I was going through a phase the other day where I wanted to chop it all off, believe it or not. But then I guess I decided I'll keep it some more and see what happens. This is the hair I'm going to be using for my braids today. It comes with 3 in the pack and I think I picked up 4 packs. The length is 30. I don't remember what color it is, but I will list that in the description box for you guys. As usual, I'm going to part my hair off in the front, tie it away with a scrunchie, and then go ahead and work on the back. And I do it this way because it makes it so much easier for me to manage my hair. Before I start, I add jam onto the back of my hair and then I use the comb to make one straight parting from one side to the other, and that's how I get my partings all straight. To get all my braids the same size, this is what I do. I take one bundle from the pack of 3 and split it in 4, and this is what I do for every single braid, and this is how I get all of them the same size. Usually this first section I would do it in 4, but since I'm doing large braids, I'm gonna do it in 3. I add jam onto the synthetic hair and onto my natural hair before starting, and the jam helps to make the hair blend perfectly. As I get to the second braid, I'll give you guys a closer look at how I start my braids. As you may notice, as I go along braiding the hair, I keep adding jam onto it, and this will help it to blend perfectly with the synthetic hair. I'm not going to braid it all the way to the end until I'm done installing all of them, and this will make it so much easier for me. Now for the second one. Before I start my braid, I loop the braiding hair around each other like this. Then I put my pointing and middle finger in between 2 of them, and the third piece I put in between my pointing and thumb finger. And this is how I hold the hair to start my braid. To start the braid, I grab about 1/3 of my natural hair with my pointing and middle finger, and then I start to alternate the hair and my finger as I go along. I make sure to get sections of my hair onto each pieces of braid. This will make sure I have even amount of hair on each section. Now I'm gonna go finish these ends and I'll be right back. I'm adding accessories to the braids to make them stand out more, and usually when I do larger braids I like to add stuff to it as opposed to when I do smaller braids. I feel like they look so much better when your braids are larger than when they're smaller, unless they're like little tiny beads of course. But adding these strings and those little gold accessories to your hair definitely make it look so much nicer. Before adding the strings on, I measure them of course, so this way I'll have the same length for all of them. I added 2 pieces of string to my hair. I sometimes go ahead and add one in the back, but today I didn't. I then added some of these little gold accessories all over to complete the look. And this is the finished look. I really love the color. I think it is so pretty. This is what the back look like. I really love the way the color just pops out of the black. It's so beautiful. I really think large braids are cute. You just have to know how to dress them up to your liking. They are versatile just like small braids, so definitely get you some large braids and work it, baby. They go in so much faster than the smaller braids and they come out much faster too, so it's easier on you. Anyway guys, let me know what you think down in the comment box, and if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.